animals together! Yay! There's a carnivore and herbivore. This is so much fun. We're gonna talk about animals together. Let's learn again. Let's go! This is a camel. Camel lives in the desert. This is a giraffe. A giraffe has a long neck. It has a long neck. This is a polar bear. It lives in the South Pole. This is a zebra. It lives in the desert too. This is a reindeer. A reindeer has big claws. This is a lion. He is a carnivore and the king of the animals. This is a tiger, the second of the kingdom of the queens and kings. This is another camel. And this is a goat. This is a rhino. It has 3 points on the sharp of his head. This is an elephant. It has a long trunk and biggest animals in the world. This is a kangaroo. It can jump really high as 12 meters. This is a cheetah. It has black spots and the fur of the queens and kings of the land. This is what we did like the Zoe stands. That means we had to rescue them. Oh no, rescue! We had to rescue the animals. We had to help them. Otherwise they'll sink and die. And we will not have any more animals to have. Let's go save the animals. They're stuck in the slime. Carnivore, herbivore. Any animals are carnivore or omnivore. We have to save them. Let's go save the animals from the green, blue mud slime. And it's very sticky too for the animals. What can we do? We have to save them. Let's save the animals and get them washed again. We have to rescue the animals. Come on. Those still. They're still walking and they're stuck. We have to save them. Let's go save them. Let's go. Let's go save them. Kids, let's go save the animals. Let's go. We found a polar bear. It's a polar bear. Polar bear. This is a goat. Goat. This is a goat. This is a zebra. Zebra. This is an elephant. Elephant. This is a rhino. 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 This is an elephant. This is an elephant. Lion. This is a lion. This is a tiger. This is a tiger. This is a lion. This is a lion. This is a camel. This is a camel. 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 is a giraffe. This is a giraffe. This is a giraffe. This is a deer. This is a deer. This is a kangaroo. This is a kangaroo. Deer. Deer. Cheetah. Cheetah. Now we know all the animals. Let's go to clean them.